Hello, Grammar Pirates, and we are going to be talking about our Learning to Swim grammar notes this week, except that there's a lot to them. So they're actually going to be in a couple of different parts. So you're going to want to make sure that you're writing down notes, being an active student, and really stretching that noodle. All right, so what are our steps that we've talked about so much? These are going to really be all put together for this week. Step 1, Step 2, believe it or not, there's going to be a Step 3. So first, you underline and label the verb. Step 2, you find the mast, which separates our subject from our predicate. And step 3 is a brand new one, so you want to really think about this, and it's ask the question. And there's going to be a very specific format to asking the question, and trust me, you want to do that. Even when in the easier sentences, it feels like it's right there. Remember that a verb can be an action verb and a linking verb, and depending on which one it is, you're going to be looking for something different. So that's why this is so important. If it's an action verb, remember that's something that you can do, like jump, sing, dance, scream. Linking verbs, you can't do them. They are linking that subject and that predicate. So you want to remember the linking verb test. If you can replace the verb with is or are and the sentence makes sense, most likely it's a linking verb. And be really, really careful of these little sneaky ones: smell, feel, taste, and look. So step 3 is ask the question. If you have an action verb, you're going to be looking for a direct object. So say that out loud. If you have an action verb, you're looking for a direct object. The direct object is the who or the what that's receiving the action. And here is the format to your question that you need to write down. Subject plus verb plus what. And if that doesn't make sense yet, that's okay, it will. So we're going to practice this one together. Chris told a secret. So step 1 is underline and label the verb told, and it's an action verb. Step 2, you would draw the mast, and the mast would go right in here between Chris and told. Then you've got to go for step 3, ask the question. So you would say subject plus verb plus what. But you don't just say subject. We're going to replace the word subject with the subject of this sentence, which is Chris. We don't just say verb. We're going to replace that with the verb in this sentence, the action verb, and it's told. And then we're going to add the what. Chris told what? Secret. And we want to answer in one word. Secret is our direct object in this sentence. Chris told what? Secret. Okay? Now you're going to take your turn. I would recommend using a whiteboard or some paper. Do something so you can write these out and do all of the steps. Okay, number 1, Tigger gave Piglet an umbrella. 2, Heinz Ward caught a football. Do all your steps 1, steps 2, and now step 3. Number 3, Lee kicked her legs. 4, Mother taught me knitting. Number 5, Mrs. Muller wrapped a present. Okay, let's see how you did. So what's the verb in number 1? It's gave. Tigger gave what? Umbrella. Umbrella is the direct object. Tigger didn't give Piglet, which is why you want to be careful and think about it. Tigger gave what? Umbrella. Heinz Ward caught what? Football. Football is the direct object. Lee kicked what? Legs. Lee kicked the legs. Legs are the direct object. Mother taught what? Knitting. See why that question is so important? There's not just the next word that follows after the verb. Mrs. Muller wrapped what? Present. Present is your direct object. So if you got some of those wrong, that's okay. Think about what you did or didn't do. Make sure that you're using all 3 of these steps. It will make your life much, much easier. Let's try some more. Do the same thing for these. Number 1, Kanga ate a hamburger. 2, Eeyore took Tigger's book. 3, Sally lost her stuffed animal. 4, the boy sang a song. All right, so here we are. Kanga ate what? Hamburger. Hamburger is the direct object. Number 2, Eeyore took what? The book. Book is the direct object. Eeyore didn't take Tigger, didn't steal him. Eeyore took the book. Sally lost what? Animal. And if you said stuffed animal, I could go with that. But you need to make sure animal is there. That's the direct object. And the boy sang what? Song. Song is the direct object. Okay, so this is going to be the end of part 1. I want you to really think about a couple of things. What's step 1? Underline and label the verb. What's step 2? Draw the mast separating the subject and the predicate. And step 3 is ask the question. If you have an action verb, you're looking for a direct object. And the ask the question format is subject plus verb plus what. All right, Grammar Pirates, I will see you very soon, just a little bit later.